Everyone, welcome back to another portfolio update video on the channel. Portfolio is currently sitting at $8,375.25. We are down $6.90 or 0.08% for the day. For the week, we are up $90.89 or 1.1%. For the month, we are up $593.38 or 7.63%. For the 3 months, we are up $878.66 or 11.72%. And for the year-to-date, aka the all-time chart, we are up $605.75 or 7.8%. We have broken the $600 profit mark where we are currently sitting now, which is insane, up almost 8% on the all-time, which is incredible. So we are absolutely killing it, and I want to go through all my positions today. So let's get straight into it. First up, we have the SoFi, and by the way, this is on total return. We have the SoFi 650 put. That is at full profit pretty much. You can see it's at 1 cent. We have the 1150 covered call that expires this Friday as well, or I guess next Friday, which is already up 33%. We have the SoFi $6 put for the 5th of January, which is already up 33% again, so another $1 there. We have an Iron Condor on MPW, kind of experimenting with these again just for fun, which is currently down $5. It is the 450 and 550 strikes for the wings. We opened this for $19 a credit, and it's currently at 24, so we've lost $5 on that. With the SoFi 650 put, which is down $1, expires 26th of January. Open that for $5 a credit. We have the ET, so Energy Transfer, $13 put for the 2nd of February 2024, which we are already up 33% on. We have a SPY 474, 475 called debit spread, which also expires the 2nd of February, which we are down $3 on currently with an equity of $60. And lastly, we have a CVE 1819 strike credit spread, call credit spread, which we're down currently $6 on. So those are all the options positions. I closed out my covered call on SoFi from last week for full profit to open this one for this coming week, which is already up. Other than that, I believe I opened all of these positions down here are new. Experimenting a little bit with Iron Condors and credit spreads again, and debit spreads, I suppose. On the side as well, using very small allocations of capital just to experiment with those. We'll see how those turn out. Moving on down to crypto, same thing here, have not touched this, and we're still doing good on crypto. I think the all-time chart is fine on crypto. Yeah, so 18% return on crypto. Still not going to do anything with that. Just going to leave it here, I guess. Stocks, let's go on down. I bought some new stocks, but we'll just go straight over the total return on these. So SPLG, the S&P 500 portfolio ETF, we are up $738 or 9.47%, which is amazing. So over $700 in profit on this, which is great. SoFi, absolutely killing it still. We are up $270 on this position. We have 110 shares, which is 34.08% of a gain on this position, which is incredible. Absolutely killing it on SoFi. I bought some Ford. I bought 1 share of Ford, which you're up 2.57% on, over 31 cents. Bought this earlier this week. I bought a share of Pfizer this week, which we were up 61 cents or 2.19% on. And lastly, I bought a share of PayPal this week, which we are down 0.33% on, or sorry, 33 cents on, or 0.53% down currently. So I bought these 3 positions this week, and I've continued to buy every single day, dollar cost averaging into these 2. Once again, this is a margin. Actually, let me turn on equity. In fact, this one is too. The reason why my equity in SPY is higher than my account value is because I know that over the next month I'll be able to contribute a lot of money back into the portfolio, so I'm not worried about using some margin temporarily because I know I'm going to end up depositing a ton this coming month. So that is the reason for that. SoFi has always been a margin position, which is great considering we basically made 34% on margin that's not being charged because it is under, or it's a little bit over, but at the time it was under the $1,000 free margin limit on Robinhood, so I basically made all this money for free, not using my own capital. So we made that 270 entirely on margin. These are also on margin, and once we make the big deposit this month, or over the next 2 months, is my plan, then these positions will be the only ones on margin, and SPLG will not be on margin anymore. So yeah, that is the stock positions, the crypto, the options. Everything is looking really good right now. Honestly, there's really not much to say. I'm just letting it all ride out. It's just working out really well. We do have Christmas coming up very soon. Look at that. We even have a notification on Robinhood. Closed on Monday for Christmas, so that's great. 3 more days, guys. 3 more days, or I guess 2 when I'm recording this. But that's exciting. So Christmas soon. pretty much a Santa Claus rally, I would say. I mean, since December has started, we've gone up $520. Yeah, I'd say that's a Santa rally. Hopefully it continues. I say this every single week because it feels like it has never, I mean, we've been going up since the beginning of November, pretty much, end of October. I say this every video, but hopefully we continue to go up. I have no idea, of course, what will happen, but it's still exciting nonetheless. But yeah, come tune into the next video to see if I continue to grind upward. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.